Students, today I have got a box with me and a glass. And what I am going to do with these two materials? Are you wondering? Let's see what I am going to do. How are the naval forces able to see anything above the water surface? Or the army is able to see anything above a land region which is covered with forest, or in a crowded area, how a police is able to detect something above the crowd? So for that all, you have to know about a special instrument which is known as a periscope. So don't forget to stay tuned to this channel till the end. Watch it, share it with your friends as sharing is caring, and be a part of the channel. So let's know about all these things. So stay tuned till the end so that you can understand that what is the process by which the naval forces are able to see or detect their enemies which is above water. Plus, we will understand that how we will be able to see a person or see anything above a crowd, as nowadays there are many places in our country where there can be excess of people coming together at one place. So what are the problems faced by the army or the police? The basic problem is they have to manage those people, and if suppose somebody is missing, they have to find out that person, or if they have to communicate with someone above the crowd level, then what they can use. So all of this you can understand from this video. So stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are interested in science, English, maths, nature, and many more such things like good stories, and so many other things are being shown to you in this channel. So be a part of the channel, like the videos and share with your friends. Let's continue with our chapter Light, Shadows and Reflections. So in that chapter, you will be coming across an instrument called as a periscope. So let's understand, students, today about periscope. So let's see the structure of periscope. So in periscope, you have actually this tube which is in the form of an inverted Z, you can see. Z comes in this shape, but it is in the inverted Z shape. So what is there? Basically, there are 3 tubes, and this periscope you can make at home also using any 3 tubes. You can join them together and form your own periscope. So there is one tube which goes like this. It gets turned from here like an L, and then again it gets turned to the opposite direction. Now what is this? This is actually, these are the 2 mirrors which are attached to this tube at 45-degree angle. So here you can say this angle is 45 degree. At 45 degree here it's attached, and here also it is attached at 45 degree. So let's understand how does the periscope function. So the person who is seeing the periscope or seeing through the periscope will have his eyes here. So his person's eyes will be here. Now what he will see? He will see the object which is here. Suppose there is a tree here. So he will be able to see that tree which is present here. Now you know how this happens. So let's understand that. Don't forget, stay till the end and let's understand how this periscope works. Understand that how a person who is watching from here, this part of the periscope, or who is inside a submarine like a naval force or a police who is on the ground, is able to see something at a height or at a distance which is at a greater height. So like this person has to see this tree. So he will be able to observe it with help of this instrument which is known as the periscope. So let's know that how does it work. Now as you know that light has the property of rectilinear propagation. Means light always travels in a straight line. It does not get bent. So same thing will be utilized here also. So let's see what will happen. So how this tube is bent. So you will wonder that when light cannot bend, then this person who is seen from the bottom, how he is able to see a tree which is on top. So let's see that. So what happens here, this tree, from this tree, any ray which is coming from here, this part of the tree will go like this. And here it is actually a mirror. A mirror is fixed at 45-degree angle. So naturally when the light ray will go like this and it will fall on the mirror. So I think you should know or you already know that what is reflection. So a mirror, what does it do? It's an opaque object because it's a glass with on the back side painting is done on the glass so that it becomes opaque. So when the back side is painted, the glass is able to reflect. So what it does, when the light rays from the tree fall on the glass which is fixed at 45-degree angle, so what will happen? There will be a reflection of light. So because of reflection, these light rays will go straight like this from this bent tube. So this is the path of that light. Light will go like this through this bent tube. After that, here again there is another second mirror. This we can say as first mirror, and this is the second mirror which is fixed here. So what happens, students? This second mirror, when it is fixed here, this light ray which is falling here, it will get reflected again and it will finally reach up to the eye of that person who is seeing from the bottom. So this person, he can be inside a submarine. This can be a submarine like in a navy. Naval forces have got their submarines. So the person who is observing from under the submarine, he may be able to see the tree which is present on top, or he may be able to observe any ship which is there of an enemy, or any activity which is happening above the water. And same way, the police who is on the ground can observe from above the crowd, or if there is a forest area and an army or police wants to see above it, the enemy forces, what are they doing? So what they can do, they can use this periscope. So periscope is a very, very useful instrument for the naval force, for the army, for the police force, in all these various situations which ma'am has already explained to you. So I hope you have understood the concept. So what is the principle of working of this periscope? Principle of working will be, on what principle it works? It works, first we can say that it works on the principle that there is rectilinear propagation of light. That is the first concept that we study here. Rectilinear propagation of light. It's happening in this case, first one, rectilinear propagation of light, because light is traveling in a straight line. Then second thing, what we can call it as, second principle will be that there is reflection of light. So students, you will have a homework now. Let's understand what is our homework of today. So what you can do, you can take boxes like this. It's a box which is actually a recyclable box which is there for as a waste only. So like these boxes you can take which are made of paper or cardboard or hardboard, but it should have a square shape like this or rectangle shape or square. Any shape can be there of the width and breadth can be equal or it can be different like this. So like this boxes you can take, but you will need to have 3 boxes like this. One box can be taken like this and the box can be fixed like this, and to that and the box will be fixed like this. Means one box here, one box here and one box here like this. First you will fix that box. Before fixing the box, like if this is one box and this is suppose the edge of the box. So you will have to take a glass like this, or instead you can take a mirror. If you have a glass like this, you will have to paint the back side of one side of the glass with the glass paint so that it becomes opaque and it's able to reflect light. And you will fix it on the edge, like you will have to take it of a shape or size which is less than this box. You will insert it inside that and fix it at an angle of 45 degree and paste it like that. Like I am showing you here, you will take this glass inside it and fix it at an angle of 45 degree. And then you will fix this to other tube which can come here like this straight, and the tube can come here like this. So like that, when there will be a combination of 3 boxes made like this, then it will act like a periscope and you will be easily able to see anything in a crowd or anything from inside the water. So you can use it as your toy also. You can use it to understand the working of a periscope, and those who are interested to go to the naval forces or to the army or police, they can understand at this young age itself that how does these great national defense forces work in our country or in various countries. Sharing it with your friends, sharing it with your relatives, and be a part of the channel. I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel, you are liking the channel. So don't forget to give your wonderful remarks and give a thumbs up. Thank you.